Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a Dermelect skincare review. Now Dermelect is one of the newest skincare brands I've tried, so I thought I would share my review with you, some of my favorite products. So one of the things I like about them is they're cruelty-free. The other one is they have lots of interesting active ingredients. And the third thing is if you're looking for vegan products, they do have vegan products in their collection. They're all donated on the product, so if you're looking for that as a feature, definitely check out whether it's vegan or not. The other thing is I will disclose fully, I was gifted these. I was not asked to do a review, so all opinions are my own. So I'm going to start with my favorite Dermelect product, which is the Get Lifted Instant Facelift. And like I said before, it's not an actual instant facelift, but I feel like as soon as you apply it, you can feel the instant tightening. So you use it like a moisturizer and let it dry down as a mask, and it dries pretty quickly, which is one of the benefits of it. And when it says apply like a moisturizer, I actually do. You can use it anywhere you want to have tightening, whether that's the jowls, the cheeks, the forehead, the eyes. So I just slap it on everywhere. One tip I have with this though is less is definitely more. A lot like a lot of the products are designed to either tighten or fill fine lines. I feel like if you use a lot, they tend to pill under makeup, especially if you start rubbing. So I definitely apply this like a moisturizer, pat it in and let it dry down completely before you start doing your makeup. And a thin layer will do you. And it starts off sounding like your traditional tightening mask, like you'd make at home with the egg whites and the Hanukkah honey for the moisturizing and the tightening. But then it also has an added ageless complex. So I love the tightening effect of this. I love the price point. I love that little goes a long way. I don't necessarily find it hydrating though. It says hydrating, I'm not finding that with this. The next product I think you'll like, especially if you have dry skin or red irritated skin, or if you're just looking for a really good anti-aging serum that kind of does it all, is their Rapid Repair Barrier Balancing Serum. Now I got this because my skin was quite dry and red from using tretinoin in the winter, so that's how I got into it. It is cruelty-free, it is a vegan product, and it's under $50. So this serum is a really highly concentrated treatment. It's designed to really boost hydration, strengthen the skin's barrier, and then really help minimize pores. So some of the active ingredients in their serum include things like niacinamide, which is really good for minimizing pores, hyaluronic acid, prebiotics, and antioxidants. And I like that it tackles quite a few skin concerns all in one bottle. Things like minimizing fine lines and wrinkles, helping with luminosity and dullness, helping with redness, helping minimize pores, helping really help strengthen and repair the skin's barrier. So it is kind of like a one product that does it all. And again, it's one of those products where a little goes a long way. I feel like if you put one drop in each area of your face, it's needed it, and then smooth it out and moisturize it in, it works really well. So if there's one skincare product I can't live without besides an SPF, it would be some kind of neck and décolleté and décolletage cream. I love Beauty Pie Spray. I find it very easy to use. You spray and go. It's really affordable if you have their membership. However, I thought I would give this a go. It says Self-Esteem Neck Firming Lift. They also have a pro version, which I'm tempted to try next, just because I'm not sure if this one's quite strong enough for me, because I tend to wake up with an M in the middle of my chest because I'm a stomach sleeper, which I know is really bad, but it's just how I sleep. So the Dermelect Neck Cream is vegan, it's under $50, and it's designed to firm, tighten, and nourish the delicate skin of the neck and décolleté. So obviously a neck cream is designed for the neck and décolleté, but you can also use this one on the jaw for a little bit of tightening as well. And again, Dermelect has come through with the ingredients on this. There's lots of active ingredients in here. And they're all designed to really firm, hydrate, tighten, and tone the skin, especially the delicate skin of your neck. So if you don't like exfoliants, this is not going to be the neck cream for you because it has both BHAs and AHAs. And that's designed to exfoliate the skin to help provide kind of a smoother, more even texture and try and help even out the skin tone. It also has avocado oil and shea butter to really help nourish, moisturize, and soften and smooth the skin. It also has the antioxidant green tea extract, which seems to be in a lot of their products, as well as other vitamins and natural botanicals. So their Confidence Crease Concentrate is a hydrating serum and primer in one. It is vegan and oil-free. You can use it with the Rapid Repair Serum if you want to. I tend to like using both. You just apply the barrier serum first and then the Confident Crease after, as it works as a serum and primer. So it has hyaluronic filling spheres, it has a Retistar stabilized retinol. That's going to really help promote your skin firmness and the improved skin texture. And I really like the silky greaseless formula as it absorbs quickly. I do tend to pat it in at the end though to make sure it's fully absorbed. It just leaves an ultra smooth, almost matte finish. and it's something I'll definitely rebuy. As you can tell, I'm all about the anti-aging products, whatever we can do to fill all the creases and help smooth and tighten everything and keep some hydration. I live in Vegas. It's so dry here. I literally, as soon as I moved to Vegas over a decade ago, I had to switch from everything. I had oily skin before, and now it's like mixed combination to dry. I'm now all about the oils and super hydration. But one of the things I like, because I feel like when my skin's dehydrated, it makes the fine lines look worse, the Bounce Back Forehead Line Treatment. Now, I've tried lots of different brands, versions of these. A lot of them I seem to have the same issues with. A lot of them will tend to apply like they're going on nicely, and then you put makeup over the top and they start to peel off. Not a good look. It looks like your skin's falling off. So I've definitely found that less is more with this one. But what I like about this is you don't have to dip your fingers in it. It is a really nice, kind of easy to apply, a lightweight cream, and it comes with an applicator. So this, you're going to just dip in, apply it the tiniest amount, and then smooth it in until it's kind of absorbed. And it gives a really instant matte soft focus effect that's really lovely without makeup. But if you're going to apply makeup over the top of it, go very, very, very lightly with your application. I cannot stress that enough. One of the things I like about the Dermelect Bounce Back product, rather than just being a filler, is it does have active ingredients again, like all of their skincare range does. That's why I like it so much. And I would buy this one again. It also doesn't just fill, it also has multi-peptides, antioxidants, and antimicrobial properties all actually help your skin, as well as kind of the properties that help mask the appearance of your forehead lines, of your 11 lines, of your crow's feet, and of your expression lines. So it is one I definitely consider buying again, especially as a little goes a long way, and at the moment it's under $80. So Dermelect packaging wise, what do I think? I think it's kind of pretty. I do like the color theme. It's red, it's silver. The only thing I feel like is that the plastic packaging does feel a bit cheap. It doesn't necessarily feel like a luxury brand, but it's not luxury brand. It's more affordable. I do like some of the products for how they apply. Like I do like the pumps. I think that's really nice. You can really control how much you're using. I'm not a big fan of jars you have to stick a finger or an applicator in. I just feel like I'm less in control of how much I use. I feel like if I use my finger, it gets under my fingernails, but this does come with an applicator, so definitely use the applicator this comes with. And then the serum is your generic serum bottle. I feel like a lot of them come like this. The only thing I would say is like it's a little bit messy. It does kind of drip out of there, and one pipette is definitely more than you need. You really only need a few drops of this. A little goes a long way with that as well. So that's one of the things I will say about the products is they are effective and a little goes a long way. I'm going to link all of these products below as well as a discount code. The reason I don't put the discount code in the video is because they often get changed by the brand on me and then I have to redo the whole video. If I put it below, I can quickly change it out for you. But these are the ones I'm using. If you've had any experience with them, let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe.